And this video is going to be sponsored by LMC Truck, as they sent me some parts to put on, so let's go ahead and see what I got. First thing on the list was a new grill. And I must say this looks a lot nicer than the current setup. Still has the little plastic protection stuff over the emblem. Haven't peeled that off yet. Let's see what else we got. And here is the new dash emblem, along with underneath there the grill installation kit. Like, that looks so much better. After all this, I'm going to show you what the current stuff looks like in comparison. And of course, that's the little hardware bag to install the new headlight bezels. Now let's move on to the last two parts. So here are the new door panels. They look so much better than the old ones. So much better. Like, it's just a night and day difference. In fact, let's show you that now. Apart from the door panels, everything's in pretty good shape. Seat has no tears or rips. Everything looks good in the truck, for the most part, other than the door panels. And as you can see here, that's the old Scottsdale logo. And here's the new one. So that's definitely going to help it look so much better. Still a lot of stuff to do, but for the most part, we're nearing completion of the build. Now let me show you the rest of the stuff that needs to be done. And before I forget, I also got these as well. New trim inserts. So that is going to pop when I put it on. Uh-oh. Got some dogs. No, I'm just kidding. They're fine. But anyway, so that is going to, like I said, make a big difference. And the only other issue with the door panels is sometimes these come loose. But apart from that, like I said, everything's going to get fixed. So now let's go to the rest of the truck. And coming around to the front, you can see the current shape of these headlight bezels is not the best. And the grille itself is barely on there. Let me show you. As you can see here, it's missing some screws and such, and some of the brackets broke off, but with the new kit, I'm going to be able to fix all that. You know, missing a couple screws here and there, but nothing that can't be fixed. Just want to give a shout out to LMC Truck for sending me these parts, and I'm excited to get them put on. Ready to see how all blue turns out. Just want to say thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.